हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, क्या हाल चाल। मस्त एकदम। तो बच्चों, अभी तक हमने इस चैप्टर में क्या क्या खास एपरेटस पढ़े। एक एपरेटस हम लोगों ने पढ़ा भाई, हमारा ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट का जनरेटर। दूसरा हमने कौन सा पढ़ा? डायरेक्ट करंट का जनरेटर। ठीक है। उसके बाद हम लोगों ने ये भी देखा भाई, ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट का डायरेक्ट करंट पे क्या फायदा है और ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट का डायरेक्ट करंट के कंपैरिजन में नुकसान क्या है। ये सब लोग हम लोगों ने वीडियो नंबर 7, 8 और 9 में कर लिया था। ठीक है। अब एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट हम लोग समझने जा रहे हैं, एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सेफ्टी डिवाइस हम समझने जा रहे हैं, जो कि हमारे डोमेस्टिक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट्स में लगभग हर जगह काम में ली जाती रही है और ली जाती रहेगी। नहीं, फ्यूज वायर अलग था। फ्यूज वायर अलग था, वो सेफ्टी डिवाइस अप्लायंस को बचाने के लिए। This safety device that we are going to discuss about today is going to save us from the electric shock. It is going to save us from the electric shock. And this earthing device, this safety device is called as earthing wire. This safety device is called as earthing wire. अब इस अर्थिंग वायर में व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, व्हाट आर द प्रोविजंस, प्रावधान क्या है इसके, कैसे ये हमें सेफ गार्ड कर रहा है। तो अर्थिंग डिवाइस का बेसिक सा कंसेप्ट ये है बच्चों कि हम ये जानते हैं कि हमारी जो अर्थ है इट इज एट जीरो पोटेंशियल। अर्थ का इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल जीरो है और अर्थ की इनफाइनाइट कैपेसिटी है टू गैदर, स्टोर एंड रिसीव इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट। अर्थ में इतनी इनफाइनाइट कैपेसिटी है इस इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट को एब्जॉर्ब करने की कि हम इसको जितना देते जाएं ये अर्थ उतना ही इलेक्ट्रिकल करंट को एब्जॉर्ब कर सकती है विद द व्हाटएवर स्पीड वी आर गिविंग। राइट, इट कैन एब्जॉर्ब all the electrical current energy we are giving it. What we are doing, हमारी जैसे मेटल अप्लायंसेस है, टेक योर रेफ्रिजरेटर, टेक योर वाटर कूलर्स, रूम कूलर्स, all of them are using water. There are good chances that from their machinery there may be a leakage of current in their metal body or fiber body. That means if their body has got a leakage of current, ये body है, ये metal body है, इस metal body में leakage of current आ गया, I am touching it, I may get the shock. Right? So what we are doing, we are connecting an earthing wire with the metal body, putting it deep down inside the earth. The other end of the wire is put deep down inside the earth. Right? In case there is a leakage in the body, that current will follow the maximum potential difference path. Earth का zero potential है. So that current, maximum part of that current will follow the maximum potential difference path. जहां maximum potential difference होगा वहां current flow करेगा. So this earthing wire will transfer the maximum amount of current in its body to the earth. So our body is prevented from a major damage. And that's why you might have noticed that whatever metal electrical appliances are there, in case there is a leakage in their body and the paint has peeled off from any place, किसी एक जगह का पेंट उखड़ गया, ठीक है, तो उस समय अगर आप उसे हार्ड टच करते हैं तो हल्का हल्का करंट आपको महसूस होता है, हल्का हल्का. Even if you try a tester on that, that tester will give you the presence of current. The desert coolers used for room cooling in the summers, the panels beside them having water flowing through them, if you try a tester in that, it will give you a signal of current. But when you are touching that panel, you are not getting any shock. Why? Because of this earthing wire. Because of this earth wire. Because of this earthing wire. तो ये जो अर्थिंग वायर है, ये अर्थिंग वायर क्या कर रहा है, कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंस की बॉडी में जो भी करंट लीकेज हो रहा है उस करंट को सीधे अर्थ के अंदर डंप कर रहा है, एंड अर्थ इज रिसीविंग ऑल दैट करंट वेरी easily because it is at infinitely zero potential. Earth is a very huge size, it is at zero potential, it can act as a very good storehouse for dumping the electrical energy. So what earthing wire is, how shall we write this? It is what? A wire connected deep down inside earth. Its other end is connected to body of electrical appliances. इसका जो अदर एंड है, इट इज कनेक्टेड टू द बॉडी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एप्लायंसेस. इन केस देयर इज लीकेज ऑफ करंट टू appliance body, this current is transferred to earth which is at zero potential. अर्थ जीरो पोटेंशियल पे है and thus prevents us from electric shock on touching appliance. इस अप्लायंस को टच करने पे हमें इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक ना लगे, ये एंश्योर करता है अर्थिंग वायर. राइट नाउ लेट मी टेल यू एडिशनली, इस अर्थिंग वायर को अर्थ में ज्यादा इफेक्टिवली करंट ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए क्या किया जाता है. ये तो आपने देखा होगा, आपके घर में जितने भी डोमेस्टिक सॉकेट्स हैं जिनमें आप प्लग्स लगाते हैं, दे हैव 3 होल्स. इनफैक्ट 5 होते हैं. 2 आर फॉर bigger and smaller plugs, but one at the upper part, the one at the upper part. इस तरह से आपने होल्स देखे होंगे नॉर्मली. These are the 5 holes. तो ये जो 2 होल्स है, these 2 holes, right one by default is live wire, the left one by default is neutral wire, and the topmost one is the earthing wire pin. Topmost is the earthing wire pin. Now what is connected to this earthing wire? In this earthing wire pin there is a wire connected to it. It is going right through your wiring. Along with that wiring, this earthing wire is being put, and the other part of it is being embedded into the earth approximately 8 to 10 feet deep. It is being put up with a big copper plate which makes it more conducting and increases surface area for the earth to absorb more current. Right? Along with that, lot of salt is also being put to make it more conducting. Right? So what it does, this wire, the upper one, if this wire is continuous throughout the lining of the electrical wires through the household, and connected down inside the earth, that time it will be preventing us. In case it is broken from anywhere and there is a leakage of current through any appliance body, on touching it we will get a shock. This is clear. This is very very simple. So what is the basic role of earthing wire? Wire that is connected deep down inside the earth. Earth में 8 to 10 feet deep हम इसे connect कर रहे हैं, right? Deep down inside the earth. The other end is connected to various electrical appliances. If there is a leakage of current to appliance body, that current is transferred from the appliance body to the earth. ठीक है? And earth, because it is at zero potential, it is preventing us from the electric shock whenever we are touching the appliance. Pause मार के नोट मार लो जल्दी से. पॉज मार के नोट मारो. तो प्यारे बच्चों, हमने देखा कैसे अर्थिंग वायर हमें सेफ गार्ड कर रहा है. तो अब हमें ये समझना होगा भाई हमारा जो अर्थिंग वायर का कंसेप्ट है वो हमारी डोमेस्टिक सर्किट्स में कहाँ रोल प्ले कर रहा है, कैसे हम उसको इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं, हमारी डोमेस्टिक वायरिंग किस टाइप की हो रही है. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड टुडे इज डोमेस्टिक electrical circuits. अब इन डोमेस्टिक इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट्स में I am starting from the point where our house gets the electricity connection. In this electricity connection by default one is live point and the other is neutral. Because what we are getting is alternating current. So this alternating current is normally flowing through this live point or the live wire. Okay? This wire, neutral wire, is used for completing the circuit. Right? Now this live point, this is on the pole. From this we get a wire connection. With the meter, there is put a fuse wire, that is a fuse box. अब इस फ्यूज बॉक्स का काम क्या है? फ्यूज बॉक्स का हमने सेफ्टी डिवाइसेस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड इट्स इफेक्ट्स में पढ़ा था कि दिस फ्यूज बॉक्स इज फॉर प्रिवेंटिंग ओवरफ्लो ऑफ करंट. Whenever current of high intensity is flowing through the domestic circuit, this fuse will melt. And normally this fuse is of 13 to 16 ampere capacity, which is at the meter. Because in the total household, depending upon the permission, depending upon the electricity supply, depending upon the number of appliances we are using, maximum 15 to 16 ampere current can be drawn. Above that, all the appliances become unsafe. Right? So this is actually the meter junction box where this fuse box is installed. So we can draw this. This is the panel, meter panel. Right? Along with that, in the meter panel, there is one extra wire. This extra wire, okay, I will draw it at the top. This extra wire is the earthing. It is not along with the supply, electricity supply. There is a separate circuit. It is a secondary circuit. It is not the primary circuit. The earthing wire is not a part of the primary circuit. Right? So here what we have is, on this board we have the distribution panel. So from these two wires we get distribution panel. From this we get distribution panel. Means this live wire is being bifurcated into many wires. It is bifurcated into many wires. Parallel wires. This live wire, neutral wire keeps on running through the household. to all the wiring, right? Now this live wire, first wire, हमने 3 वायर में यहाँ ब्रेक किया. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन कितने स्विच बोर्ड्स आपके हैं, उसके डिपेंडिंग अपॉन ये उतने ज्यादा हो सकते हैं. आई एम टेकिंग हियर फॉर एग्जांपल 3 स्विच बोर्ड्स, राइट? सो दिस वायर comes to be connected with one switch board. This is what? Switchboard. In switchboard, you know, there are so many button switches for different appliances. Like in one room, we have a fan, we have a bulb, we have a tube light, we have a AC, we have a room heater, we have different night lamps. So we have so many plugs over here. So many plugs over here. There are so many plugs, so many sockets. These are sockets. These are sockets, right? So this wire is connected to each socket individually, right? And in each socket there is switch, and to other part of the switch this neutral wire is connected. Each part of the switch this neutral wire is connected. Along with that, this earthing wire is going along with. Earthing wire also gets connected in them separately in the third pin. So what happens actually? One live wire goes into the board, one neutral wire goes into the board, right? One earthing wire also takes entry into the board. All these 3 wires are connected to their separate points. Switches में 3 point होते हैं, तीनों में ये connected होते हैं. Whenever switch is made on, the live wire gets a continuous connection. Means switch में क्या होता है? स्विच में 2 पॉइंट्स होते हैं, यहाँ रफ में बता रहा हूँ. लाइव वायर यहाँ कनेक्टेड होता है, अगला लाइव, ये जो लाइव वायर है ये अगले स्विच के साथ कनेक्टेड रहता है. इट इज कनेक्टेड टू नेक्स्ट स्विच, राइट? व्हेन वी आर पुटिंग ऑन द स्विच, दिस लाइव वायर इज कमिंग इनटू कनेक्शन, राइट? टू द अदर पार्ट ऑफ इट दिस न्यूट्रल वायर इज रनिंग लाइक दिस. तो न्यूट्रल वायर स्विच के अंदर लगातार कनेक्टेड होता है. That way actually the switch becomes on and off. So when you are putting off the switch, you are actually disconnecting it with the live wire. Clear? Now these switches are connected to appliances. Your book has actually shown only appliance in the middle. And on that every switchboard you have provision for a fuse box. You have a provision for a fuse box. But this fuse is of approx 5 ampere rating. Because on one switchboard, whatever number of appliances you are using, it should not exceed 5 ampere. The current drawn should not exceed 5 ampere. So many, these, the same way, this live wire keeps on continuous. Here comes again one more switchboard. Okay? There are so many switches in it. And you may connect one appliance, maybe the bulb along with it. ठीक है? So वो bulb is connected along with this. Why I am taking back the wire? Because this is coming the live wire and the neutral wire is going back into the switch, right? So that way it keeps on continuous, and the earthing wire is also connected into this. That way you have to represent the schematic diagram of domestic electrical circuits. इनके अंदर neatly आपको, मेरा बहुत गंदा है, it is very dirty. But neatly आपको क्या क्या शो करना होगा? You have to show the live wire and the neutral wire coming up. You have to show that earthing wire is being taken deep down inside the earth. You have to show that this live wire is going fairly. What you can do, you can draw it like this. You can draw it like this. You can show one appliance at each case. You can show one appliance in every case, right? So what you can do? There's a live wire going on. There's a live wire going on. You show one appliance. Okay, you have shown the bulb. You have shown the bulb. So this bulb is being given a connection in parallel. with the neutral wire, and this bulb is also getting a connection from the earthing wire. Here you can show a box showing fan. Okay, live wire is entering, this neutral wire is also entering, and this earthing wire is also getting connected with this. This way you can draw one more appliance over here. Simple. Basic thing ध्यान रखेंगे, live wire and neutral wire are completing the circuit. Live wire and neutral wire are completing the circuit. Earthing wire is a part of a secondary circuit. It is a part of a secondary circuit. So I am sure students you will be able to draw domestic circuit diagrams, not copying it directly from the book. Don't copy it. Understand the basic crux of it and draw it according to the scheme. That's why it is called a schematic diagram. Right? So students, this brings us to the end of this chapter. Keep on studying. All the very best.